Nkedhisha mwonya mutegeri wa Weru TV mbitikie muthenya wa kuno thiete na mbere owega inkugwati ogeni methani yetu ya Nteto Thaa Mugwanja ni umbitagwa Christine Wanjeru na tukiambiriria Nteto cietu ni ati ciana inya ni ibonokerete banini kubira nyomba utuku wa gukira muthenya wa umuthi nturani ya makiriti mao nari ne bare nyomba eno iragwatire mwanki na kobia yonde bururu na kaumo ka mwanki uyu mwanka thaino gati kumenyeka akarimantere inu ni mobotete kwithirwa makirombera muntu buka uyu abiriritwe ni nyomba ino kana uri obiritwe into ciebe cionthe utethi kumakiria ntuma wendi umwega na munonkurukini mamenerete thirikari ya kaunti ya Meru nuntu bwa kwagazima moto noa imwentere cia timau.
Kiikia onankatho kiri murungu nyuma ya twana tuna kuonokera cia lela mukuri timao nyuma ya nyumba mokuwata mwaki na kuya yonthe buru muthenya weoro na aria mwekurunje ya tiokene buru kumania ntamera mwanki uyu tietentere iu
manja butona ndene mukuri akwena secondary Kithoro etawa Timao secondary school mixed tukurigara mono nonto manto jara toja kuona gintu kia mwendo jo thaa kenda tuteretekia akariba Timao mukanjeje kutege gintu kiratigwa ku kwa ngino munene njaya athira yonthe kinyage kingi
ni Timao Riverside kijiji ya Riverside karibu na Timao secondary ambapo kuna mama amechomekewa na nyumba muda wa saa 9 mama munene tumeokoa watoto 4 lakini nyumba yote imechomeka
aturiba mwekuruyu uri yuyo twana tubara batamenya buruka umokongwa ka mwanki bauriche buru mwekuruyu tetherwe na inya munona kiao ni untu atiokene kumane na ithithia re buru retabangiri.
Kwa hivyo nataka kusema sisi tumeachwa na vila kitu, sasa hapa tunataka mambo na usaidizi. Kwa hivyo serikali yetu sasa ijue tunataka usaidizi kutoka kwao. Tumepata OCS alikuwa hapa, deputy OCS alikuwa hapa, hata DO amekuwa hapa, chief amekuwa hapa, assistant chief amekuwa hapa na wameona vile kumeendelea. Na wamesema tuachwe sisi watu kama watu wa kijiji tujue ni nini tutafanya. Lagu kienye naweza kumwambia watu wa kijiji, huyu mama anataka usaidizi. Sahi ana manguo, sahi ana kitu ya kukula, sahi ana mahali pa kukaa. Na kama sisi ni watu wa kijiji tunastahili tumusaidie.
Na Timao uri mushiyo munene bure thirikari ya kaunti ya Meru rungurwa Gavana Faith Kawira Mwangaza ntere yito nangari kinyemwe kuoria munki umanenerere ntere ikuthamirwa ntere cia mutindwa na arema karika ya uburu yati utema ntame ntere yi ati kone utethio buru kwa kaita thai na ni untu utethio buka ibwa kuoria munki yoboromire kaunti ne muturi la ikipya kilomita kathomba kuma tauni ne Timao akiringanisha kuthithia barabara tauni ne yirungura mbunge wa Bore Mugambiri ndikiriwa mona aturi na kainya koburu na Weru nene ibeti tena mbere buru kumeneria thirikari ya Kawira ni untu botira mushiyo buru kwa kaita thayo
tuweze kuokolewa. Tumeweza kusaidika na lori ambayo ilikuwa inatengeneza barabara pale ambayo imekuja but imepata moto tayari imechoma kila kitu.
Kuna mtu anaitwa governor na tuna mtu anaitwa senator, tuna women rep wakibie upande huu wetu wa Timao wakuje wajue tutashikana namna gani tusaidie huyu mama.
Weru TV kumaburi mbita wake uvi kimathi
Horia ciari na nkinyagia arutwa mathiete na mbere kwa mukira kana kugwata mpumi cia kigerio gia KCSE kiria kiraumbire kwanirirwa kiumia giki na njira mwanya riu gikundi kimwe na rietwa Linda Jamii nikiumiriti kwariria mpumi ino na kuonekania mena kimako kinene nuntu bwa buria arutwa mararuthite kiri kigerio giki na muno nkurukini makwenda uconkoni wethirwe ukiruthwa nikirimbia itengeretwe university iria ne bilioni 128 na rino ntuwa namba ya maria makathungira university na nontu ni indamite thirikari ikethirwe kirasimika kugaura bilioni 67 gatanta inyanya ila jamii riu ne kuria ciezeze Machogu kuruta murekera wa kwethirwa gukiruthirwa uconkoni ni kenda kumenya kethirwa mpumi ino gaciari na waya.
Kakita kala jari nana badhiete na mbele kwa mukira mpumi jakigerano gya KCSE kia mwaka muthiru na njira nkurani ikundi bya gutetera gyoto kia mwingi ni bimenete kugwa kwa na baingi balaba gwatete grade ya E kigeranio ni giki kiringithanagua na igeranio bya ukabere.
How can we have 20,000 E's more than last year's? Because last year's was around something to do with the 38. Now we are hitting higher figures. Many E's. 52.4% of students have failed KCSE. Was this exam set to fail? Was it set to pass?
Kulingana na gikundi kia linda jamii ni ajabu nene na baingi bagisunsikia 57 kwaga gutonya university onto bula kugabomba kwithiro bulali bomanganie kenda kunyia kigina kia mathomo ma university.
By making students fail, 52.4% failure means that they are going to save 67.8 billion shillings. Where do they want to take that money for? The question is being asked, has the government explained to you why there was a delay in the release of this result? They were supposed to release last year, they have been released this year. It is because when the results came out, students performed very well, but they took this result to be moderated.
Gikundi giki kiruga kia mukirite mateta kuma kia jeri na rutwa mpumi jakiro na giki kigarukaga onto buria bukulete bilwe bingi.
We have received complaints and we have evidence. I've shown you the screenshots whereby somebody in the morning had B-, in the afternoon the same student from the same school, I've shown you, I don't want to mention the school in the media, the same student, the same school, the grade moved from B- to A-. What is occasioning? Is it the portal that is wrong?
All the complaints that we receive, we don't take them for granted. We are receiving them and compiling a case so that we lodge it at the tribunal. It is provided for the CS for Education announced yesterday. So we want to encourage parents and students and teachers. Please share with us all the evidences of anomalies.
Teteri baba bagioto kia mwingi lino boliti waziri wa kithomo Ezekiel Machogu gusokia mpumi jakire na gikiriko kaili no ntugutina omana obwe kukirejio na kwithiro kwino sonkoni kire mpumi no akethiro atiogu ni boliti rais William Ruto kwebio waziri Machogu kilolungameli bwa sekta ya kithomo.
One, the minister should recall those results so that they can be having integrity, because at the moment there is no integrity. Two, there must be an audit into this exam innovation process. Three, we need the government to invest in a facility for education, both the infrastructure for preparation of exams, administration of exam, marking of exam, release of exams, and access to the exam results. The point is that the CV is very short, and again, the delivery is very poor and is underwhelming. So we recommend the president to go back again. No one ties you from reshuffling the cabinet. And at the same time, there are so many professors out here. You can never delegate a vision. If you are incompetent, even you can't understand that you are not incompetent. Knowing that you do not know is helpful. But if you don't know that you don't know, you will never know that you don't know, and therefore you'll never know.
Ateteri baba okagitaka ni banyirite thirikari kuthondeka kanjo nene ya kulaithagiria mpumi ja igeranio kenda kuthiria mathina ta mama miaka ijete.
They need to invest in it wholly. The fourth thing we are asking is that there was a proposal in 2012 about having exam quality council. We need to have that council in place so that they could also be oversighting these results. And last but not least, the government needs to pay teachers well.
Kuma muji muneno Nairobi, Mbeta Antone, Rangi Wakathenya.
Hakarimantura ya evi wandini ya kibirishia nimeumiretie kwithondekera barabara memongwa makiugaga barabara ino ni mabete thina enene muno na riwira ombari yao nekire thirikari ya kaunti ya Meru gukurukira gavana wa Meru Kawira Mwangaza ethirwe akithikiria kiriro kiao nikenda kumabonokia kumania na thina ino ya barabara nthuku.
aturi bau baibe na nturenge mwanya mwanya rithio lungirite ntere wadi neje kibiricha bori no betete nambere bruna kunyamarithi na cia barabara maturene na arabo shume kwithondekana kainyako baibongwa
njira ciongo gatutuguta na ryo tukutheria tutitete twentura tutheria no tukenda no tweja kuthika no mami antu ayo gukaija kakuriretie nontu ikanda ni gukaija kakuriretie baturikane
njire kuma mwankene kweta monka kansene ebe ewinjire nthuku burunya ntije thra mwire atugakamata kana natajukathie mbuginya tugekirwo eturo thai kwina thaka nyingi iri citaniritie cia ntura twina wendo iba kuthithia njira bone thra no nye nini yake keza
na ni untu kuthondeka kuraba kuthondeka barabara yibo kaiba uriche thirikari account kumela ati no batethia ntere yi muno ngavana kawiro remirandie barabara etinjarene ciawe
na nditwiromba ma MCA jetu baba kuthithia njira kwa tukuigwa na i contract ya kuthithia njira ja tutegerere njira yetu na
gavana kethwa no wina mbeca ri tutumba kumenya nuntu muiri ateja twira batu na o ingavana wina mbeca ateja twira ingavana wina mbeca randire utume ingavana turiuga imuiri nuntu muiri no ate kwandwa kinya ke mamare neja twira imama wina mbeca mbatigio twa area na bathirie ndwa tuombe gwituro maendeleo njira tutu tuthithirie nuntu ngari kuthira muntu ka utiga inyangare na arore akaduta mikibiki yake jani
bunge bomwanyi bauriche burunga vano yo kawiro kulukira murandi yuwa weyo keyo koleo tethia nje montereyi irieti yokiene buruna iwete bidhatu nyuma yangina mushari wanjeyi wito imwadhani murungurua
kawira na uo koleaga munene wetu twaromba wije tutetherie njeje no tutegerere njeje inyombo tutetheria na bainyo kombo chware ogatwikiria boka turetaira ndawa ka tugachwiro inyanto murume akabaruga ero ntu tutibata na ibeto no tuandikire inyam nturo kabakaraia no ntu itukuthugania twentura guchoro kejo bakaraia no ntu bangi bareo inyomo tutekumenya inari thai bara babui baire no moto tekumenya inari monka thai zino waguchua
Weru TV kumabure mbeta wa Kelvin Kimathi
Tuyokie kanya tunogoke banini
Ama hapo. Leta driving license. Ala, gari ina makosa bwana. Naona hii gari ina makosa. Ina makosa kabisa. Ala. Na yeye muzikirani hapo. Hapo meza bodi kidogo. Oya kidogo tena. Hapo. Tunaulizaje? Ni station gani hapa bana? Tunataka kuuliza ni station gani bwana? Angalia hiyo mbavu. Unajua nafikiria tunampeleka kwa station na tunataka kujua ni station gani.
Weru FM. Here comes the grand event of Africa, Africa Cup of Nations 2023. Watching all the stars of 24 countries for one champion. See traditional powerhouses defending their glory. And watch out.
He tried to cross it in.
Dark horses are racing for the top.
Surely the winner.
Try your best and lift the trophy. Start Time Sports. Beyond passion.
Are you ready to take the first step towards an exciting future after KCSE? At Jordan College of Technology, we are a community of dreamers, thinkers, innovators, and achievers. We train over 100 government-approved technical, medical, hospitality, and business courses in diploma, certificate, CBET, short courses, and driving. Our world-class campus offers a variety of co-curricular activities, state-of-the-art facilities, and lifelong networks beyond academics. Apply today for our ongoing January 2024 intake and turn your dream into a reality. Visit us at our new ultra-modern campus, Jordan Towers, Elimu Center, Kwame Nkrumah Street, Thika Town. Jordan College of Technology, the leading TVET and medical institution in Kenya.
Lives of two young girls.
My star sign is lucky. Something good will happen.
Yani mom na dad wana fight na wewe kazi yako ni zodiac signs.
Raised by secrets.
There's a lot going on at the moment in this house.
It's either Baluta to make pesa or else.
Is about to be changed forever when their true identity is uncovered.
That girl is not his daughter. That Nteto will prove me right.
I'm really concerned. If they treat her like an outcast, she'll definitely go back to their family.
In the brand new unmissable Zari starts 23 October only on Maisha Magic Plus channel 163 on DSTV Access, GoTV Plus channel 3.
Haringi nkugwate ugeni tukithina mbere na Nteto cietu ni ati gavana wa Machakos wa Vinya Ndeti na arombete iranduria milioni 603 riria iwanda cia kawashi na ria kweberedwa ni kenda arimi mama methiro makiambiriria Weru. Gavana uyu uria uragwatite ugeni CS wa iwanda inini Simon Chelugui na ugite ntere cia Kangondo na ugite ni wega arimi mama kethiro makiambiriria matina marando no amari kire kimera giki ni kenda methiro makiona maciaro mamega ne bari augite ona marandu maria thirikari yumbite kwebereria arimi mangi ntere cingi ni manene nkiruki ya didi kuruki na aretete kana na uretie na kwithirwa agitera ugoti uria gwikirwa kire kimera giki na kuga arimi mwanka ino ni makubinyirika banene na kumongera ugoti wa kaua ni kumaneneberia murigo.
Chairman wa KPCU ambao ni rafiki yangu nimemwona.
Shukuru serikali kwa kutuona na mkaona sisi kama kamati tuko na kazi mingi, na mkasema kahawa ikinunuliwa juu mnanunua na dola na exchanging dollars. Hapo ndio mkulima anafinyiliwa. Ni ukweli. Tunasema kama dola moja Katesi walikuwa wananunua ikiwa ni 300 na exchange rate ni shilingi 12. Mkulima atapata pesa? Serikali tunaomba pesa. Kahawa iko shida. Angalia Ukambani. Macho yote rudisha Ukambani. Si unaona vile wakulima hapa wamekonda?
Ile shida iko kubwa hapa. Tunaenda tunalima kahawa. Tukipeleka huko pesa yote inaenda kulipa madeni. We have 6 or 3 million kwa deni. Hiyo ni pesa kidogo kwa national government. And you're my friend. Please go and speak to president. Mwambie hiyo 6 or 3 a wave. Mwambie atoe hiyo 6. Hiyo ni pesa kidogo sana. Na nitakutuma kwake tukiwa wawili. Pia hizo county 4 wale wanapanda kahawa upande huu. Machakos, Makueni, Kitui na Taveta. Mtusaidie hizi vitu, hizi pesa muwe.
Na leo natangaza hapa usinduzi wa new cherry fund at 80 shillings. Sasa mkulima, ukipeleka kahawa yako kwa ile factory ya Misakwani, ukifikisha kahawa yako kilo 10, unalipwa shilingi 400 ikifika kwa hiyo factory. That is the meaning of the advance, 40 shillings. Hiyo kahawa ikishakwa, ikaushwe, iweke kwa gunia, ikifikishwa kwa coffee mill, unapata another 40 shillings per kilo, bringing a total of 80 shillings. Between the time you harvest and the time it reaches the mill, we expect that journey to be 1 month. So the days of the farmer taking years and months akingoja pesa ni mambo ya zamani. Sasa tuna mwamko mpya. Tunalipa mkulima shilingi 80 after the coffee is now 40 shillings on arrival at the primary factory and 40 shillings at arrival at the mill, bringing a total